Hello friends, I got a message regarding Indian Forest Service general knowledge paper where the question was how to prepare science and technology portion of general knowledge paper. So I tried to go through the paper. We know that there are 6 sections और जो वो 6 sections है उनमें से एक section होता है साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी पे, और जिसमें आप देखोगे तो स्पेसिफिकली क्वेश्चन 6 है, उसमें 4 क्वेश्चन उन्होंने पूछे हैं. ट्राइड टू रीड दोज क्वेश्चंस एंड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड from what all resources those questions have been asked, or what all those resources are there you should prepare to attempt those questions successfully. So if you look at question 6a, UPSC has asked about hologram, and they have asked about the advantage of hologram or different or comparisons with respect to photography. So as we know, this topic of hologram could be prepared from mains 365. We know that there are topics about cyber physical system, cutting edge technology like artificial intelligence and machine learning, and how this virtual reality and augmented reality is there, and these both realities give away to the extended reality, and in which one of the example we read about hologram. So you could have written those content. Even if you are following newspaper, you can come across virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and all these extended reality kind of terms, and you can write these questions very well. The second part of the question, they have talked about photography. So when we write comparison between these two, it's very simple, because we talk about dimension, 2 dimension, here 3 dimension, or the technology like AI and ML is used in hologram, etc. So yes, second part you can also answer satisfactorily. Second question was quantum mission 2023. The first part of the question you can find it very objective, the tenure and the kind of cost, so one may not recall that, but next 2 part you can easily write about that. So they have asked about deliverables. You can write you can generally write what are the advantages and what are the outcomes of quantum computing or quantum technology, and so those would be nothing but the deliverables of this mission. So you could have written about quantum computing and how it actually helps digital India. So you can talk about communication, encryption, security, etc. So you can write all those stuff which you read under the quantum computing or quantum technology. So this question is also covered in main 365. If you read especially vision booklet, you can find a quantum computing or quantum technology and their advantages, and what is the quantum technology, etc. And even if you are reading newspaper, at one point of time you must have read about the quantum technology. Then third question is about 5G technology. So you can very well start your answer with 5G and definition of 5G. Then they have asked about concerns of 5G, and the 5G is very well covered within this booklet, main 365. If you go through that, you will find, and you can talk about concerns like technological, what are environmental or financial constraints, etc. Second question talks about cyber security. So again, we know that as there is more digitalization, or there is 5G, we know that state-of-the-art technology will be used, and we are able to witness the various cyber frauds and cyber crimes which are happening, like hacking, data leaks, or privacy issues, etc. So you can very well write on that line. So cyber security questions could also be answered. So again, main 365 and the newspaper will help you to write these questions. The last is nuclear energy. As we know, it is one of the standard static topic, I would say, where you know how nuclear energy is utilized to generate energy, and how we are also utilizing 3 generations nuclear energy plants, etc. So here you are asked about how you can reduce the toxic waste, nuclear toxic waste, and how you will reduce the environmental concerns, and how will you do the disposal, etc. You can also write about the various other angles as well. So my take on this is the science and technology portion of this year's general knowledge paper was average, I would say. You could have easily written these questions. The simplest approach to prepare for science technology sections of Indian Forest Service general knowledge paper is to read Mains 365. You make notes out of that booklet. You try to write about artificial intelligence and biotechnology, nanotechnology, cutting edge technology, etc. 3D printing is there, cyber physical system is there, and various big missions. You will also come across space sector and stem cells research, etc. So you make notes of those points and you revise those. So those notes will help you to write science technology portion of Indian Forest Service general knowledge paper. I hope this will help you. Thank you.